Welcome back. Paintings depict the heart and mind of a painter. The BBA students of DMC have displayed painting towards a great cause. Around 66 paintings are displayed by the students to earn profit and donated to an NGO working for a good cause. 42 painters have also contributed their painting towards the good cause.
Last 2 years we have been organizing this competition in the college for the students of BBA department. So this year we thought that we will along with the students will also display paintings of some other artists, and that's how we have paintings by 66 students and 42 artists from Goa. They have also given their paintings for this. We plan to give the profit from this from the sale of paintings from this college to an NGO called Astro from TV, who is working for the HIV patients. In fact, if we get good response, we are planning to hold this exhibition every year on a large scale.
The stage is set for Goa's biggest sports event, as Lusofonia Games will be opened with a grand ceremony at Nehru Stadium on Saturday evening. The Lugoc rolled the red carpet and officially welcomed the participating member nations of the Acolop on Friday. Lusofonia Games Chief Executive Officer Keshav Chandra has maintained that 739 athletes will participate in the games, which will conclude on January 29th.
No, 5 countries have not arrived because they were busy practicing. We just came to know about their this thing. But one country has just arrived, Sri Lanka. They finished their practice and they have come here. And so generally, this team welcome ceremonies are generally held in this manner itself. We try and persuade as many countries to join, but they also have their training commitments.
Number of total participants that you gave us the other day was 739. So is there any addition or deletion from that count?
There's no deletion, but there's neither any addition. So let's see.
Grand opening ceremony, as it has been built to take place tomorrow at 7. So what would be that moment when it comes? What would be your feelings at that time?
Very difficult to describe. Let's see. It's a very difficult journey.
The Lusofonia Games, the biggest sporting event in Goa's history, is just few hours away, and it's now down to the people on the field, the sports persons to be precise, to do their best. Spotlight of the Lusophone world will be on the newly upgraded Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on Saturday. 2,000 entertainers are preparing to dazzle at the opening ceremony of the Lusofonia Games 2014. A colorful bouquet of cultural programs are planned for the magnificent opening ceremony of the Games. The show will be nothing short of a kaleidoscope of India in a never-seen-before stunning event, say the organizers. With reporter Mayur Naik from Nehru Stadium, Fatorda, this is Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent from Donapaula.
Goa's top windsurfer Dane Coelho's preparations to make it to the Youth Olympics has received a financial boost. The Sports Authority of Goa has provided coaching fees of 2 lakh rupees to Dane so that he can avail international standard coaching. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has also chipped in with 50,000 rupees from his salary.
Son of veteran Goan windsurfer Donald Coelho, Dane has done Goa proud with titles at various national events. Dane's talent could take him to the Olympics, and as such, his father wants a foreign coach to guide Dane.
In Asian circuit, he's almost under top 10, and we have decided, if you want his qualification for this youth Olympic, we need a international coach, which I spoke to a coach from New Zealand who is a gold medalist at the Olympic level, and second time he was a bronze medalist again for the Olympic. So he almost about, for the 2 Olympics he won the medal, which I spoke to him, and I managed to get him to India for training almost about 25 days. So Dane has been training under Bruce Kendall for 25 days.
Financial support from the SAG and MLA Michael Lobo will help Coelho's plans.
We are presenting a check of 2 lakhs on behalf of the Sports Minister and Chief Minister. Honorable CM spoke to me in the morning to hand it over to him. I get a salary of 50,000 per month, so I am giving him from my salary account so that he will really do well for Goa and India.
Video journalist Sushant Pad for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.